Well, g'day everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about a product that XTAR sent me. They've sent me some really good battery solutions, and in fact I'm going to get another one that works with the Sony series cameras soon. But this is a device that lets you charge up multiple batteries, and it's going to be put on Kickstarter soon. So this is a prototype that they've sent me. Very, very simple in itself. But before I sort of take you through this, let me just show you what it's all about. So I'll switch over to this webpage. Now, if you look here, you can see it's launching in 11 hours. Now, that's from now, so it'll be less by the time that you see this come up. It's called the XTAR GP2. It does say that it will work with all the generations of GoPros from 5 to 10. And you can see how they're attached through here as well. And there's also a memory card slot holder through here as well. It does have indicator lights too, that if it's green, it's fully charged. If it's red, it's charging. And I'll show that in a minute being used. And it will fit two of the GoPro batteries inside it. In fact, if you look down here, this is a GoPro 8 can go in. You have this little adapter that you can put in if the batteries are different, so they will fit into the unit itself. I'll just show you a couple of things about this too. If you sign up now, you will get 43% off. It's a 2-in-1 charger, so you can put two batteries into this, and I'll show this working in a minute. It's a quick charge, 50 minutes to fully charging. There as well, and it's 6,700 mAh battery. I think there's two versions of this, or I did read somewhere that there was two versions of capacity that you can put or get with this unit. It's just saying efficient charging and 2-mode indoor and outdoor, and it's also got a Type-C port that's there as well. You can get a 5,200 mAh battery and also a 6,700 mAh battery. This is just seeing internal. You don't actually see these, but that's what's internal of these devices. So the Hero 10, it will charge 2 to 3 times. Which is great. So, you can take this away and not have to worry about charging it later on. If you have the Hero 8 battery, you can charge 4 to 5 times. And over here, if you have the larger capacity, you can get 3 to 4 times. Or if you had the Hero 8 battery, you can get 5 to 6 times. And it says here that you can extend the GoPro's maximum recording time by 4 to 6 hours if you're dealing with the 5,200. And with the 6,700 battery, you can record your recording time extended by 6 to 8 hours. And basically, you could sort of take this everywhere, and it just sort of shows that he's got it attached to his belt here, so therefore he can just keep the batteries being charged up there as well. And then you could just swap the batteries very, very quickly between the unit itself and then putting it into your GoPro as well. And I'll show that in a second too. It does charge up with USB-C, which is great. And it says here that under outdoor mode, it will fully power up one GoPro battery at first, then switch to the other one. So it records one or charges one and then goes to the next one there as well. Indoor mode, you can charge the GoPro battery at first and then charge the built-in batteries. So you can use this connected directly to your camera and charge that up, and then it will charge the other batteries in there as well. The unit is nice and small. If you're looking at it here, it says it's a 15-watt fast charging and fully charged within 1 hour. There is just some figures here that you can check for your the model number and also how fast it will charge up as well. So I'll leave the link for this page down below as well. It also has these dual slots here where you can put your cards in, which is great because they're so easy to lose. So having a place that you can put your batteries as well as store your cards is really nice too. There are, looking at this, going to be multiple cases that you can buy to sort of stylize this to your choice. They're saying here for 2022, so I'm not sure when that will be out. It might even be listed now. So this is the unit itself. You can see here that it's the XTAR. You can see that it's really quite small. I mean, it really is a small little device. Now all you do is you just open up the lid like that, and then that will be the place that you will put your cards in. Now you can see here, if we look at the moment, I've got cards in here. Let me put another one in. So all you do is you just put the card into position in there like that, and then it will sit in. So they're actually quite firmly in when you do that, which is great. Now you can see on the front here that it shows your charge indicator, so it's showing how full the internal batteries are here. If I put the battery in and then close the lid, well, you can see that it will show now that it's gone red, which means that it's actually charging up. Now that will go green once it's finished. So you could leave both of these in and then leave that closed. It will charge one battery up and then it will charge the next battery up. So it's really nice. And again, you've got your two cards that you've got in here as well. So if you need to change the cards in your camera, you've got that ability as well. And you can then just take this around, stick it in your bag, whatever. I mean, it's small enough to put into a coat pocket or something too. And you have all of that being charged, and you don't have to worry about running out of batteries with your GoPro. I think this is really terrific. Thanks so much, XTAR, for sending me this. Look, they didn't ask me to review it. They just said, have a look at this, see what you think about it. I think it's terrific. There's a little USB-C cover here, which is got like a protection cover over it, I suppose, to protect it from moisture. I will leave the link where you can get this on Kickstarter down below. It's going live very, very soon, and you do get, like I said, a big saving if you purchase it from the beginning. Apart from that, everyone, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Bye for now.